Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram temporarily blocked account. So if you face this kind of problem, if you wanna like or comment to other accounts post, but you can see this problem or see this page, so you have to just take a screenshot of the page and go for your profile, click on this G line, go for settings and privacy, scroll down at the bottom, go for help, go for report a problem. You can do shake or otherwise just go for report problem without shaking. If you shake your phone, that it takes a screenshot directly of that page. So now you can go for include and continue. So just cut this photo and upload that photo. You have a screenshot before. Now you have to just describe here that hello uh, Instagram team. I face that kind of problem. Please solve it or fix it, something like that. After that, just go for thank you Instagram team and of mm, all these things. Go for just send here. So that's it. That's the process. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.